It's lunchtime. I just fried some eggs uh, for lunch. So the egg comes from these ladies. So fresh eggs from the ladies. That's the eggs right there. Okay, so those are from her. And I'm gonna go pick some homegrown cucumber to go with it. Okay, so we're gonna go look for some cucumber. I guess these are my corn. Just starting corn this year. Corn patch. Okay, so we're gonna look for some cucumber here. I guess that one is not ready yet. Oh, there's a couple here too. Let's just wait in a few more days, but I see some over here. Right here. And I got some string beans going on too. So there's a big one up there, big cucumber. So I will need to just eat one here. Okay, we're gonna pick. It's hard to do the videos with yourself. Okay, so there you go. That's my lunch. Okay. Now these ladies, they love cucumber too. So I'll probably start to grow some more just for them as well. And yesterday was about almost 100 degrees. It was really hot, and the mango seems to like it. So all these are new growth, the lighter green color and purplish new growth in the last few days. Nice and breezy and warm. They love it. Okay. I love this weather. It looks like I got some June plum as well coming along. Last year I didn't have any fruits, so hopefully this year we'll get some more fruits. And then dragon fruit started to bloom as well. So we're in the middle of June, and usually I get them blooming in August. But for some reason this year, unusual weather, I get it. A couple blooms this year, early in June. And then this is my loofah vines, double deck pergola. Okay, so I strung some cables together because the rats seems to love it too. They would just destroy the vine. They eat the whole thing. The leaves and the vine will all be gone if I don't do it like this. So once they get a hold of it, they will eat the whole thing. So the cable, you see, it's basically, the rats won't be able to get to the vines. So we got some loofah babies going now. So it's doing pretty good. And the chicken loves the leaves too. So that's why I have to protect it, you see? Protect them from the chicken as well, otherwise they will eat the whole entire thing, the vines and the leaves.